This video is for you if you are an entrepreneur or think you might like to be one, because we will discuss the guidelines and suggestions that Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos tried to impart to the new business owners to ensure their success and avoid failure. If you make the same mistakes, you can learn from this video and avoid making similar ones in the future. Follow 2 pizza rule. A rule of thumb for choosing how many people to invite to a meeting is the 2 pizza rule. Every meeting was required to follow the rule that attendees could be fed with 2 large pizzas. This is a vision of a young and new entrepreneur who believes that as soon as possible, their small business will succeed and turn into a company, and they should hire more employees. As a result of this vision, they began to hire new employees once their small business began to succeed, and they also moved into a new office, but they faced challenges. The number of attendees in Jeff Bezos' meetings is always kept to a minimum. Few meetings are much more fruitful for him than many meetings. Bezos uses the 2 pizza rule, which states that if 2 pizza pans are served at a meeting, there must be enough attendees. He also offers advice to aspiring entrepreneurs on how to apply the rule to their small businesses. Learn from your unhappy customer. Most new business owners are still quite far from their dissatisfied clients, and these clients are what hinder your company's slow growth. Your most dissatisfied customers are your best teachers. Bill Gates reportedly said this at one point. What was he implying? He was saying that your target customers, if they are unhappy with you, are the best people to ask for feedback on your goods, so you should always pay attention to them. Make sure your staff members pay attention to them, because they need to learn what the best customers are complaining about and how they are complaining from them. If you want to give your startup business a long life, you must pay attention to your dissatisfied customer, because they are a source through which you can learn what is lacking in your offering, and you will finish them first. Customer satisfaction aids in measuring loyalty, lowering churn, and raising sales. Customer satisfaction enables you to fend off competition, draw in new clients, and keep hold of existing ones. Businesses that prioritize customer satisfaction and incorporate it into their strategies succeed more frequently. Prepare for financial challenges. Financial difficulty is the inability to make either short-term or long-term debt payments. Debt makes managing money more difficult and reduces one's purchasing power. According to a survey of more than 600 companies, financial difficulties become a source of stress until all debts are repaid and force small businesses to shut down because they are a major barrier to their expansion. The problem arises in the long term when you have no money and also have no financial support, so new entrepreneurs should be save money and also make a plan and invest their business, because new starter companies started with investing by hook or by crook, and return the earned revenue, and they also again invest in their business, and some will save. This supports your business financially. Quality is more important than quantity. In the end, neither is superior to the other, and various strategies will be more effective for various businesses. They are both required to make sure your marketing campaign is successful, though. Quantity may boost brand recognition, while choosing quality over quantity promotes sustainability. A focus on quality rather than quantity lessens anxiety and overwhelm. Quality increases happiness and satisfaction. Quality increases your level of care, which is crucial for conversions. Because Steve Jobs prioritizes quality over quantity, he frequently counseled aspiring business owners to do the same. You should hold new entrepreneurs to his standard in order to succeed in business. You should also work to improve the quality of your products and include creative elements in your services. Position to help the customer develop a relationship with your brand. This relationship and trust raise the bar for your company. Pay attention to market as sales as well. The most crucial function of marketing and sales is to focus on the results that potential customers desire. Additionally, it is the area of marketing and sales that receives the least attention. Sales and marketing personnel must listen and adapt now more than ever. The marketing and sales teams have a much better chance of developing a message that resonates if they are aware of how these dynamics are affecting their prospects. These are the teams that will generate more revenue. It is difficult to run a small business, and if you don't know how to sell and market your product, then there are low chance of your success that you didn't expect. That is enough to give advertisement on Facebook and Twitter, and these can make your popular brand and learn to talk face to face and market your product if you have no market and sell product skills. So you can also seek. Now it is important when you will be in meeting. Dear close friends, if you want to see more videos on business, then tell us in comments, and also like this video and subscribe our channel for new update.